Okay, let's get started. This is my blog. It's Costa Blanca, Spain. This is my home page, and we scroll down with the latest blogs. This is the blog here that we're going to be doing the changes on. 7 best places to shop in Orihuela Costa. I'll open that up. This is the finished result. Main picture of the shop. A little description of the shops here in Costa Blanca. And the shops themselves: Carrefour, Consum, Costa Blanca Supermarket, and 3 pictures that I put in here. Carry on going. 4 street markets, 5 Mercadona, 6 Aldi, 7 Al Campo. That's my 7 shops. 4 more pictures in the bottom. And I'll put the right pictures in the right places as and when I can. This is a brand new blog and it's work in progress. So what I have done now is, what we shall do, I've opened up my same website in a new browser. I'm going to click on blog, scroll down. This is the blog we just looked at. I'm going to scroll down and go to the second page. And these are a couple of other blogs I've done. And this is the copy that I made. Copy of the 7 of the best places to shop in Orihuela Costa. Read more. Open them up. And this is it, unedited. So this is the original version. Picture of the shops at the top. And then we're going to go through shop 1, shop 2, shop 3, no pictures, shop 4, shop 5, shop 6, shop 7, no pictures. Right, how did I put the gallery in? Nice and simple. I'm using WordPress as my foundation. I'm using the Elementor editor, and I'm using a theme from Astra. Edit with Elementor. I don't know if this is the right way or the wrong way of doing this, but it's the way I've done it and it works for me. So I can't go explain all this. I'm hoping you got a basic of Elementor and how it works. Basically, here's our blog. We got to imagine this consisting of 1 full page. Coming all the way down here to the bottom, and use our margin and our line going around the page, if you like. So, easiest way I found of doing this. Let's get back to the top. Go onto our page. Up here, top right hand corner, edit. Right click. Duplicate. And what's happened now is we've got our full page. And underneath we have another page. Exactly the same. So basically what I'm going to do is cut the top off of the top page. Sorry, I'm going to cut the bottom off the top page and the top off the bottom page and fit some pictures in between. So the easiest way to do that is make sure that you're back up on your top page. And then of course when you click on edit, what opens up here on the left hand side is your page so that you can do adjustments on it. What I want to do is find out where I want to put a cut. Pass 1, pass 2, pass 3. I cut at the street markets, so come over to this side. 1, 2, 3. Street markets, where's it gone to? 4 street markets. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to highlight all of this, scroll down to the bottom, try them again, highlight all of this. Let me scroll back up to find my street markets. Bit sensitive, this wheel on this mouse. I'll get there. Might edit some of this out. 4 street markets. Come on. Okay, edit that all the way down to the bottom. I have to do a double click on this particular mouse. Now, right click and cut. And now it's disappeared from the top page. Now, here I go to the lower page, the second page. And again, make sure now that on the second page, on this edit button, you click that, because everything you see now on the left hand side over here only relates to the bottom page. So we're going to do the same here. I want to come down here and find street markets. Mercadona. Street markets. Now the opposite here. Street markets I want to leave. I'll click on here, highlight it, and go all the way to the top. Right click, cut. And then what that has done, we now have two separate pages on the same blog, if you like. So I've got 1, 2, 3 page ends, new page with 4, 5 and 6 in there, and 7. Next thing I'm going to do is, where I want to put the pictures in, I want to put the pictures in here. Well, I can't actually drop them into this page or into this page. So what we're going to be doing, I'm dropping the pictures in this margin in between. So we're going to come up here to the 9 dots. I'm going to click on that. I don't pay for the pro version of Elementor, so I only have available to me what is in the free version. These are the basic additions you have. Then you've got the pro bits. Scroll down and then there's some more available to you in the basic general one. Here's the gallery. I'm going to grab all of the gallery, going to drag it across, and you can drop it there, and now it's in between these two pages. Next thing, we want some pictures. Click on a picture. Want to insert an image. We'll put anything in for this just to, no, I'll stick with some of the proper pictures. There's my Carrefour picture. I'm going to hold down my central button. I'm going to click on Al Campo, and we're going to see if we can find another picture here of something. Where we are? Hold down central, click on Costa Blanca, add the gallery. So big. How do I get that back? There we go. That's a bit better. Insert gallery. There we go. Those three have now been inserted. Can I move them across a bit? Don't know. Let's have a look. Can't do it that way. Oh, here we go. Here's the easiest way. I wanted 3 of these to balance up, look, and if you come here to columns, change this to 3, and it balances them more towards the middle. There we go. That'll do me there nicely. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here. Again, I'm going to come back to click on the 9 dots. Past the first section of add-ons, past the pro section of add-ons, back down to general. Where's my gallery? Here's the gallery. Grab the gallery, drag it across, drop it in there. And here I want to put 4 pictures. It's already got columns of 4. I'll put 4 into there. I don't know, what am I going to put in here? Not going to waste too much time. I'll put anything in. We'll put this picture of a restaurant. Scroll down a bit. I'll put a picture of, oh, there's Mercadona. There's Lidl. I'm going to put that in as well. Put Costa Blanca in. Holding central down, you get to put them all in one hit. Create new gallery. There's my 4. Insert gallery down here. And there we go. There they are. And this is the way I've found of inserting that. So there's my main picture. 1, 2, 3 supermarkets, 3 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4 more supermarkets. 4 more pictures, and the distance between here and here is a bit wide. Where's this gone? Distance between here and here is a bit wide. Let me show you how I'd sort that out. I'm going to change the margin on this top page so that this line here will move upwards, dragging the pictures up. So I'm going to click on Advanced. I'm going to come down to Margins, make sure you click on this little chain link here. That separates your values. And we want this now to move up. So where's the bottom? Bottom. I'm never sure which way this goes, so let's try one way. And if it's wrong, we'll try a different way. Try the other way. Not working. Let's find out why. Put that back to 0. Let's try top. Maybe that does it. Let me see what I'm doing wrong here. 0. Ah, right, I know what I've done wrong. Oh, that worked out okay. By accident, that's worked out okay, I think. But in order to see where this is going, I've just gone over to here. What you need to do is come back up to your page, click on Edit. So in theory now, I'm hoping, double click that this time it'll work. I'm going to come back to Advanced, scroll down to the bottom of this, and try again and see if this time it'll move. We want the bottom to go upwards. Again, I make sure I've clicked on the link button so that these are independently operated. Let's have a look and see what happens. There we go. That's how it works that way. Drag this up a bit so it's just below PS. If you want to know more about Costa Blanca supermarkets, click here. Let's sort of leave him somewhere under there. Now I want to do the same with this, I think. How would I do this? Click on Edit for the lower part of the page. Advanced. Let's see if, let me click on the chain link. If I reduce this top, see if it'll drag street markets up. Let's have a look. There we go. And it does. So I'm going to pull that up. Stop him over there. Let's have a look what's happening. That looks much better. So let's have a look at the bottom bit. Again, I think I want these pictures to be closer to the bottom of this line. And I should still be, because I've come up here and I clicked on this little section here. This should still be in operation. I won't click anything else, but just test it out and see if that's what happens. If I now pull the bottom, I'll change the numbers on here. We'll see if this line lifts up. There we go. Yes, it does. We're dragging right up, so it's just below. For more about Alcampo, click here. Right there. See how that looks? Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I live with that. Like I say, I'm a novice at doing this. So I'm very happy with what I've learned there. And what we will do now is I will open that back up. Update. Come out of Elementor Editor. Click back on here. Open up my website. 7 of the best, we know that's okay. What I want to look at is the copy. Go on my blogs, scroll down to my second page, scroll down to copy of the best places to shop, read more. This is absolutely live at the moment, I promise you. We'll click on there and hopefully I now got my 3 pictures in there. My 4 pictures in there, and it's done, up and live. I will put this on to private because I don't need to show the same blog twice. This is literally just for educational purposes to show you how I put pictures into my blog. So I'm going to finish up there. Let me see if I can, I wonder if I can put me in the picture here. Let me have a look. See if I can frighten everyone. Hey, there we go. Okay. If there's anything you enjoyed about this blog, as ever, do not forget, please, to give me that thumbs up. Hit the like button. It's below your screen somewhere there. And better still, if I do some more tutorials of this, or if it's been helpful to you at all, I will do more tutorials of this kind of thing. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel. Look at my hand going all over the place here. Subscribe to my channel down below. Next to the subscription button, you're going to see a little icon of a clock, I think it is, or a bell. Click on that, and what that will do, it will notify you of any new content that I put up here on YouTube. So until my next video, bye for now, and happy blogging, if like me you're learning to blog.